Hello everybody, today we're going to be making this cute fox paper craft whilst also recycling. Begin by painting your newspaper or old book papers orange. Now you want to cut out the main body of the fox into a semicircle. Now stick that down with some PVA glue in the centre of your paper. Cut a diagonal line, making a curve at the top of your paper for the fox's face. Now fold the face in half and cut off any excess to make it symmetrical, and then stick it down with PVA glue. On your plain paper, measure and mark the side of the face from where it curves down to the bottom and cut 2 semicircle shapes out. Once cut, stick the shapes down on each side of the face. For the nose, you can either use a black pom-pom or a sticky foam circle like I did. Cut a jagged diagonal line across the sides of your painted paper and stick it down as follows. Cut out a curve from the edge of your plain paper. Now mark and cut off any excess. Draw and cut a zigzag and stick it on the tail. On your coloured paper, make a mark for the ears, then cut and stick them down. Now we're going to measure the insides of the ear on some plain paper, then cut and stick them down too. And now for the final step, glue in your googly eyes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my website and subscribe for more awesome DIY tutorials.